Hello guys, I'm here in West Alton and here's the siren. Oh goodness. Trying to be careful not to get hit by cars. I'm probably not going to get too close to it, but I want you to get a good video of it. It's a Whelen. There's the control box for it right there, and there's the siren. I think it goes off every first Monday, like the ones in St. Louis, but it's pretty impressive. It's not too far from Alton. It's in West Alton. Gotta be careful, this road is kind of dangerous. But I filmed this one quite a few times, but here's an outside video of it finally. I know fans of sirens filmed this one too. It was like a short video. I'm gonna make this one a long one. See the control box, there's the siren. Pretty impressive. I'm not going to try to be careful. I'm probably not going to walk around it, but there it is. Pretty impressive. You can barely see the word Whelen right on it. See it? But there she is. She's a beauty. I think it's looks like a 2905 or 2805 tornado siren here in West Alton. But there she is. She is quite impressive. I gotta admit, she is quite an impressive siren. Come over here and let you guys see it from this angle. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that's Wet and Salt and Siren. I'll make this a free 30 video. Peace. Actually, I'll make it 300. There she is. Peace.